Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to blow your minds with some seriously awesome ways you can make money online as a teenager. That's right, forget about flipping burgers or delivering pizzas. We're talking about building your own empire from your bedroom. We've got 10 incredible methods to share, each with the potential to rake in some serious cash. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Let's get started. Alright, first up, we're diving straight into the world of YouTube. It's an exciting platform where you can share your passions, creativity, and knowledge with the world. Whether you're into gaming, makeup, tech reviews, or just vlogging about your daily life, YouTube has a place for you. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyone and their grandma has a YouTube channel these days, but that's the beauty of it. The platform is so vast and diverse that there's always room for fresh voices and unique perspectives. You don't have to be a professional filmmaker or have a huge budget to get started, but trust me, there's still plenty of room for you to crush it. The key is to find your niche and be authentic. People are drawn to genuine personalities and relatable content. So don't be afraid to show your true self and share your story. Think about it. What are you passionate about? Gaming? Makeup? Maybe you're into cooking, fitness, or travel. Whatever it is, there's an audience out there just waiting to discover you. The more passionate you are about your content, the more it will resonate with viewers. Unboxing the latest tech gadgets? People love watching unboxing videos and reviews because they help them make informed decisions about their purchases. If you're a tech enthusiast, this could be a great niche for you. Whatever it is, there's an audience out there just waiting to discover you. And remember, engagement is key. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. The more you interact with your audience, the more loyal they will become. The key is to be yourself, create engaging content, and be consistent with your uploads. Consistency helps build trust with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Plan your content ahead of time and stick to a schedule that works for you. And hey, you don't need a fancy camera or editing software to get started. Your phone is more than enough. Many successful YouTubers started with just their smartphones. Focus on good lighting and clear audio, and you're good to go. Once you start gaining some traction, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own merch. There are so many ways to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Just stay patient and keep putting in the effort. Imagine getting paid to do what you love. That's the power of YouTube. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, start recording, and share your unique voice with the world. The journey might be challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding. Happy creating. Are you a creative soul with a knack for making awesome stuff? Do you find joy in creating unique pieces that reflect your personality and style? Whether it's painting, crafting jewelry, or working on any other creative project, your talents deserve to be showcased. Well, guess what? Etsy is your new best friend. This platform is designed specifically for people like you, who have a passion for creating and want to share their work with the world. It's a vibrant community where buyers are looking for unique, handmade items. This online marketplace is a goldmine for anyone who loves to create, whether it's handmade jewelry, quirky home decor, or one-of-a-kind artwork. Imagine your creations being admired and purchased by people from all over the globe. The possibilities are endless. Seriously, people are making bank selling everything from personalized phone cases to hand-knitted scarves. The demand for unique, handcrafted items is higher than ever, and there's a niche for almost every type of craft. Your creativity could be the next big hit. The best part? You get to set your own prices and be your own boss. You have the freedom to decide how much your time and effort are worth. Plus, you can manage your shop from the comfort of your home, making it a flexible option for anyone. Think about it. You can turn your passion into a side hustle and potentially even a full-time gig. With dedication and the right marketing strategies, your Etsy shop could become a significant source of income. It's all about showcasing your unique style and connecting with the right audience. Plus, you'll be sharing your unique creations with the world. How cool is that? Every sale is a testament to your hard work and creativity. So why wait? Start your Etsy shop today and let your craft shine. Are you a math whiz, a grammar guru, a history buff who can recite every single US president in chronological order? If so, online tutoring might be your calling. There are tons of platforms out there connecting students of all ages with knowledgeable tutors in various subjects. You can set your own rates, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and help others succeed. Talk about a win-win. Plus, Teaching someone else is a fantastic way to solidify your own understanding of a subject. It's like they say, the best way to learn is to teach. Okay, let's be real. Taking online surveys isn't going to make you rich overnight. But hey, it's an easy and flexible way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. There are tons of legitimate survey sites out there that will pay you for your opinions on everything from new products to current events. You won't get rich doing this, but it's a simple way to earn a little something while you're binge watching your favorite shows. Just make sure you choose reputable sites, and don't expect to be rolling in dough. Alright, this one's for all you social media mavens out there. If you find yourself constantly glued to your phone scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, why not make the most of it? If you live and breathe social media, why not turn your passion into profit? Imagine getting paid to do what you love every day. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many influencers out there. Building a loyal following takes time and effort, but once you've cracked the code, brands will be lining up to collaborate with you. You'll need to understand your audience, analyze your social media metrics, and plan your content strategically. We're talking sponsored posts, product reviews, and even exclusive brand deals. Imagine unboxing the latest gadgets or reviewing the trendiest fashion items, all while getting paid for it. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality content, and engage with your followers authentically. Whether it's beauty, tech, travel, or fitness, there's a space for everyone. Brainstorm unique content ideas, film high-quality videos, and always interact with your followers. Remember, people can spot a fake from a mile away, so be yourself and let your personality shine through. Authenticity is key. Show your true self, share your stories, and build a community that trusts and values your opinion. The journey to becoming a social media influencer is exciting and rewarding, so start today and watch your influence grow. Do you have a way with words? Can you craft compelling blog posts, engaging website copy, or even captivating short stories? If so, freelance writing might be your ticket to online earning. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect businesses and individuals with talented freelance writers for a wide range of projects. You can set your own rates, choose projects that interest you, and work from anywhere in the world. Plus, freelance writing is a fantastic way to build your portfolio, gain valuable experience, and potentially even turn your writing into a full-time career. Starting a blog is like creating your own little corner of the internet where you get to share your thoughts, passions, and expertise with the world. But here's the best part, you can actually make money from it. Once you've built up a loyal readership, you can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products or services. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content consistently, and promote your blog like crazy. It takes time and effort, but the rewards can be huge. Do you have a knack for capturing stunning photos? Do you see the world through a unique lens? If so, you can turn your passion for photography into cold, hard cash. There are countless stock photo websites out there where you can sell your images to businesses, bloggers, and individuals looking for high-quality visuals. From breathtaking landscapes to captivating portraits, there's a market for every style of photography. So, dust off your camera, start snapping, and watch the money roll in. In the digital age, the possibilities for creating and selling your own products are endless. We're talking ebooks, online courses, printable wall art, design templates, the list goes on and on. If you have knowledge or skills to share, packaging them into a digital product is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Once you've created your product, you can sell it on your own website, through online marketplaces like Etsy, or even on social media platforms. The best part? You only have to create the product once and you can sell it over and over again. In today's fast-paced world, everyone from busy entrepreneurs to overwhelmed executives needs an extra pair of hands. That's where virtual assistants come in. As a virtual assistant, you can provide a wide range of services remotely, such as email management, social media scheduling, customer service, and even basic bookkeeping. It's a fantastic way to gain valuable experience, build your resume, and earn money from the comfort of your own home. Plus, you'll be helping others achieve their goals. Talk about a rewarding side hustle. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try. See you next time.